one fixed
Acha. You see, I'm gonna show you how they actually fix the cracks on the wall. So this side here have cracks, and see what they did.
Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Khadija, and for today's vlog is I'm going to give you a construction update of our toilet upstairs. But first, I just want to say that door behind me is our main door to our ground floor house. And this door here, ayan yung stairs niya, that is our main door to the second floor houses. So now we are going to see the update of the toilet. So they're also doing something there. And now here in our part. At now they put this, okay. So ganyan lang siya, guys. So it's not really near the door. There is enough space. Good, Abuji. This is very nice. So this is our master bedroom's toilet. Now going to another. Kidhar Abu? Acha. So they're just fixing some things over there. If you see, guys, those are bricks. I'm gonna show you how they actually fix the cracks on the wall. But first, guys, this is how the wall cracks look like. So these cracks here appeared after the earthquake. So there was an earthquake happened recently, and that is why these cracks appeared here. Now I'm going to show you how they are going to fix these cracks. And this is how they fix the wall cracks here in Pakistan. So what they're gonna do is they're going to open it, and then they will put wires in it and fill it with cement, the same as this. So this side here have cracks. And see what they did? They put this wire, yung alambre. We call it alambre.
Steel.
Yes. And then, kinoconnect nila with the pako nails. And then they will cover it with cement like this. Ganyan. It's nice, so at least, you know, it won't be cracking again. And by the way, guys, I also discussed this before, but I'm gonna say it again, that here in Pakistan, people often prefer bricks over hollow blocks when building their houses because bricks are more reliable and durable. Though using bricks in building houses can cost more money than using hollow blocks. But, you know, what's more important for them is that they want something that lasts long, and that is why they prefer using bricks over hollow blocks. And the thing is, you know, when you use bricks in building your houses, you cannot just use one layer of bricks. You have to make it 2 layers of bricks to make this thick kind of wall. So all the walls in this house, guys, are this thick. And this one is made of 2 bricks. 2 layers of bricks to make this thick kind of wall to make it more durable.
This one fixed
Acha.
If you want, have a wall like Kashibai. Okay. If you don't want, it's the open area. So,
Acha, I will talk to Shabazz.
Shabazz, this your covered now. Here is the pantry.
Acha, so this will be the built-in covered for him in this side, huh? Acha, Gigi, full. Okay, Abudi, बहुत space है ना? There is enough space, yes.
Come on, are you?
This is today's outcome. So they're just gonna put tiles and cabinet down, and on this side they're going to put some barricade here for water. Okay, then we will go to the, and in here, the second bedroom, So they already make it ready, and they're just gonna put tiles and cabinet, and of course shower and seat and whatever is needed for a toilet. And Abuji, I don't know the design of this. Until now, I don't know the design of the tiles that they bought. So this year they prepared for the built-in cabinet. And this one here, we made this sink a little bit smaller because this toilet is small actually. So there will be enough space for the shower and for the seat. So that's how it is. So they're just gonna put tiles and cabinet in it, and seat and shower and whatever is needed. So ayan, lahat ng may mga cracks, inayos-ayos na. Inshallah. So right now guys is titingnan natin yung update ng construction ng aming partition. So now let's see what we have dito sa master's bedroom. Okay. Wala pa naman masyadong ginawa dito. Pero yung toilet is okay na siya. Lalagyan na lang siya ng sink. Gusto ko tong style ng toilet namin. So, semento to guys. Then, papatungan pa ito ng granite. Tapos, yung shower namin dito. I think they can do like this. Sabihan ko kaya si Apoji na ganito lang dapat kapayat yung ilagay dito para hindi masyadong malaki yung harang dyan sa baba. Kasi, pag masyadong malapad to, parang liliit na yung floor dyan sa loob. Diba? Anyway, let's see kung ano pa ang meron. I love this! Ito pala yung pinili nila. That's really nice. Gusto ko kasi yung gray colors, guys. Alam niyo naman yan, diba? Yung bedroom namin is gray. Yan. Okay, hindi pa rin. So, ilalagay na lang pala yan. So what happened here? I thought they're going to break it. Now again, they're going to leave it as it is na lang siguro. But okay lang din naman eh. I think what we have to do is dito ko ilalagay yung bed ng mga bata. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. So guys, ayan, titingnan ulit natin ang progress ng construction sa upper floor sa portion namin.
Latina, clear this.
So this will be like the accent wall, we call it feature wall. And this will be on the other wall. Of course, pahiga naman siya. Pag ganyan siya. So anyway guys, balikan na lang natin yun.